Hi there, today we're in South Lanarkshire and we're looking at how sharing video content on Facebook can drive much more engagement than static posts. Now this is Dawn Hair. As you can see, they're a small independent hair salon and they're based in South Lanarkshire. Like most salons, they have to show things like before and afters in their feed in order to ensure that they're showing the full experience of what it would be like to step over their threshold. Ultimately, this is about their service and showing how good they are. So they need to show how someone came in and what the after was and what the experience would be. So they do a lovely job. They always name check their clients. They always put some little emojis and they always make it feel really, really personal. However, video is king on social media and these aren't their top performing posts. What actually are videos. So what they do is they create fun reels or videos on Facebook. They put music to them and they create, I guess it's just a much more sort of young, fun, more interesting approach to that transformation than what a static post would be. So let's look at this one.
My wish, make me feel good, make me feel nice.
So what they've done with this is they have created a whole load of beautiful content which shows the blonde magic, making you feel good. They've put that it's a lady called Anne. They've put that they've renewed condition, so they want you to actually really watch it and show how beautiful the condition is and what a great job she's done, and it actually shows how proud she is. And again, that's had it's had a lot of views. It's had some comments and it has a lot more than what their regular posts do. So then if we go back and we look at the rest of their feed, as you can see, they've got a whole bank of videos in there. So let's have a look. Now it's a mix. So this one was a huge one. So this for them. So it might have had 21, it's had 21 engagements, but 7 comments. So that is 7 extra people that might have gone in and booked off the back of seeing this lovely content. You'll see that the owner, she does some face to camera work as well. We get the same thing with some of the other members of staff as well. They actually then, as part of their transformation part, physically show the video and they do these little fun reels as well, which is great. So they get the customers really involved. So what does this do? Well, people are visual people, so they want to see the way the hair moves and shines in a video, which is easier to do than on a static post. And then look at their playlist, they're smashing it. They're doing so many different things and it really shows us what the full experience is going to be like, what the staff are going to be like, what I can get out of it, what they're going to be talking me through, the fact that they're so personal that they know it's my birthday or, you know, that I've got an anniversary or something coming up. It's all shown through their video content. Now, for me, any business should be doing this. It's just about taking some pride in the job that you've done, be it creating a cake or transforming someone's body through styling. And then other ways that I think about elevating this would be to take a video like this, and rather than just saying it's, say, you know, Gillian's hair, or Anne Lindsay's new autumnal balayage, I'd be asking if we can tag them in on Facebook, you know, if they follow us, and I'd be wanting to see if we can tag them in. I would also be looking at tagging in the products that are used. I'd be looking at tagging in the stylist. So, you know, I'm sure they've got Facebook, just because, again, it expands their reach and expands the propensity for people to actually want to share it as well. Now, if I was this salon, I'd also be wanting to think about my local area and look for other businesses that complement mine, where I might find other like-minded customers. So for example, I might be looking for beauty salons. I might be looking for local bars, because if you need to get your hair done, you might need, you know, you might be going out on a date night, you might be looking for somewhere to go, or you might be a mum and looking for, you know, a local play area. It doesn't matter. This is about understanding that this is all about your area. So what I'd be doing is I would be going to my platform, maybe platform, clicking engage, which is up here. And then I'd be putting in South Lanarkshire. There we are. And then what you can do is you can tick here for it to be only local. And then all of the local businesses with the most engagement within a place will start to come up for you. So if this business, you know, if they're offering a pamper afternoon to get a back, neck and shoulder massage, well, obviously, you know, you can get your hair done after that if you like. So I'd be wanting to go in and engage with that post. I can like it. I'd want to be sharing it. I'd want to be commenting on it, because guess what? The more that you engage in their post, the more they'll engage with your post, and the more that, if you know a business has a particularly engaged audience, then I'm going to start coming up in their feed, and it's like a digital signpost back to my business. Now, as ever, if you've got any questions whatsoever, then click on the little blue button here. It connects you to us 24/7, and we love to help.